affiliate networking like Finovaworth, Elite Cash, Spin Cash, and the rest. These sites, they are affiliate networking and it really pays. Yes, it really pays. These sites, they launch it and latest by 2-3 months, then it will leave the system. So if you get to join these sites early, then you are going to make cool cash from this site. Okay, and coming this February, there are lots of affiliate networking sites that is going to be launched, and some of them are the Freshmoolah, that of the Metro Cash. Okay, that's this February. So this affiliate networking site, how they work is that if you register and someone also registers through your link, you are going to get commission for your first or direct referral, and also your second and third indirect referrals, you are going to earn money on it. So for instance, that of the Metro Cash, if you register with 50 cedis, that's the activation fee, which is 50 cedis, and anyone who you refer, for instance, if you register and I use your link to register, you are going to get 25 cedis from my registration or activation fee. And also if I also use my link to let a friend also registers, I am going to get 25 cedis. You are going to get 12 cedis. Okay, and also if my friend whom I registered also registers another person, my friend is going to get 25 cedis, I'm going to get 12 cedis, and you are at the same time going to get 7 cedis. That's the earning structure on the referral. And aside that, there are some simple tasks that you are going to perform on this site. Okay, and the more you perform those tasks, the more you earn on this website. But the earnings on the tasks are not all that much. So this site normally based on referrals. Okay, that's 90% referrals and 10% performance of the task. Okay, so to me, one advice I'm going to give it to you is that if you want to join any of these sites, now that you have to build a team, that's gather your community, so that when they launch it on 10th February, you are going to make cool cash from it, because we all testify that these sites, when they launch it and you join it early, you are going to make cool cash from these sites. So as Elite Cash, Golden Cash, Spin Cash, and also that of the Finovaworth and others are paying, this new site are also going to pay. That is the Freshmoolah and that of the Metro Cash. The Freshmoolah is 60 cedis for the registration, and that of the Metro Cash is 50 cedis for the registration. So the choice is yours. You need to know the one that you want to join. So if you want to join, just check the comment section or the video description. I have pasted the WhatsApp group of the Freshmoolah and out of the Metro Cash there. Just tap on them to join any of them, or you can join both, so that when they launch it on February 10th, you are also going to partake in this and also start earning from performing of the tasks as well as doing referrals. Okay, so this is what you are to expect February concerning affiliate networking. And indeed, affiliate networking is paying. Yes, it is paying. Okay, all that you have to do is to build a team that is going to help you and also earn cool cash and more cash on any of these sites, being affiliate networking or affiliate marketing. Here's the Talk Tech. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the Talk Tech. That is the talk of the tech.